It is not every time you pray that you get answers. It is not everything you pray for that God will answer. God said, if a man does not work, let him not eat. So if you are a lazy person out there and you are believing that when you pray, God will send help to you, you're joking. It is the Bible that said it. Whoever does not work, let him not eat. God himself said it. Jesus said, my Father worketh hitherto and I work. So if you're sitting and you are hoping that your prayer will bring answer to your hunger, your prayer will bring food to you, you will pray and you will continue to pray and you will find your prayers are not answered. In fact, the Bible says when you pray and you pray amiss, you will not get answers. So, how do you get answers to your brokenness? You need to work. Okay, you tell me, where are the jobs? Or, oh, I'm employed and I'm still broke. I can understand that totally, 100%. There are so many people that are working and they are still broke. They are working and they are living beyond their means. Yes, so many people like that. Somebody is earning 150,000 naira and is still broke. That happens because they're living beyond their means. I know you might argue and say that 150,000 naira per month, what can it do? But the truth is, with the right arrangement, even devil will see God. The truth is, if you plan your life very well around that 150,000, you can still try to do something. Yes, that's the truth. But is the 150,000 naira enough for you on a monthly basis? The answer is no. So how can you earn more? You can't earn more by doing what I'm going to ask you to do. Yes, on YouTube. You'll be amazed at how quickly you get results. What I'm going to tell you now, many people are using it, but they won't show it to you because they're selfish. I stumbled on it. I did not start earning on YouTube because I came out to start earning on YouTube. I stumbled on it. I got into YouTube because I wanted to pass message across. In fact, it was the 2023 election that brought me to YouTube. And I thought, okay, most people are on social media. In fact, let me shock you. I got into social media because I saw Bill Gates on social media. Before that time, I used to think that social media is for children. So social media is for unserious people. Social media is for people who waste time. That used to be my belief. Until I saw Bill Gates on social media. Until I saw Dangote on social media. And then I started to ask myself some critical questions. If Bill Gates will be on social media to push a message, who the hell am I? You have the likes of Glow. You have the likes of MTN. They are on social media. Despite the fact that almost everybody in Nigeria knows about MTN, whether you're educated or you're not educated, but they're on social media. So what the hell am I doing? And then, because I was certainly and clearly aggrieved by the fact that you still have corrupt leaders coming to rule Nigeria, and I saw Peter Obi, I won't lie to you, that motivated me to join social media, and I started my first video somewhere around August of 2022. And I started it with the mind of, let me put my message across. Let me defend the election of 2022. That was my mission. So that's why I say I stumbled on it. But as God will have it, within 3 weeks, I got about 12,000 watch hours. Because somehow, I think the audience online at that time were interested in the election. So they were following it. So a lot of people were watching my videos like this one. I was just talking into the camera and that was it. Analyzing all the things that happened before the election. I stumbled into it. Before I knew it, they sent me an email that I was qualified to be monetized. And so I just filled the form and then forgot about it. Before you know it, I got a lot. $1,400, $2,100, $2,200. The first month I got for $450. And I was like, what? That is how these things are. There's money to be made on YouTube. Now, I may have stumbled into mine, but the truth is, what I did, the things that I did, you can do them too. And these are things that nobody will share with you. You don't understand why many people come and they are jumping on trends. They're trying to get views. They're trying to make money. But for me, it was not about the views. It was about getting a message across. And coincidentally, that also brought views. But there was an underlying factor. And that is what I want to show to you if you are interested. It is something that they will not tell you because they believe, and it's normal, that when more people get into a particular thing, then there's more competition, then less money to be made. But that is not true. If you look at somebody like Mr. Beast, he's making millions of dollars from YouTube every month. He's doing it not by being afraid of competition, but making use of the competition in a collaboration. That's what he's doing. So that will give you an idea that we're not competing against everybody. The air, the sky is big enough for every bird to fly. But greed will not allow many of us to realize this. So once we have some updates, we have some information that can better the lives of others, we hold it to ourselves. But not me. Particularly because we need people financially empowered. We need people to engage in passive income. Because without people's financial empowerment, we cannot change this country. Poverty is widespread and it has been very, very seriously weaponized. So if you're broke and you're watching this video, I want to implore you, take advantage of what I'm going to show you on how to make money on YouTube starting immediately. It is possible. Don't doubt it. If you doubt it, okay, you're allowed to doubt it. But challenge me openly. This is an open challenge to you. I want to challenge you. Challenge me. If you do what I tell you to do, and in the next 30 days you don't get any money from YouTube, I will give you $1,000. I will give you $1,000. That is how sure I am that you can make money. But you have to promise me, once you start making money, you must come and join us to fix this country. Because we need a new crop of leaders to change the direction of this country. Right now, what we have are political vampires sucking the blood of Nigeria dry. We need heroes. And the hero is in you, but you don't know it because you have been blinded by what you eat, hunger, poverty, unemployment, lack, insecurity. Now, the journey to becoming a hero starts with you being financially empowered. I have realized this. I have a group of young persons that say they want to fix Nigeria. But when it comes to actually doing the work, because it requires a lot of money, you see them, they begin to develop cold feet. And so I have said to them, I can understand that you are broke. And this video is an extension of the challenge to them too. I can understand that you're broke, but that cannot be an excuse. If you indeed want to prove that you are not responsible for being broke, take up my challenge. Do what I am asking you to do in this video and see if in 30 days you will not be earning $1,000. Challenge me. If it doesn't work, come out on social media and say that Refresh Nigeria guy. Now lie in the lie. Challenge me. It's sure for me. And that's why I'm putting out the challenge to you. It is not prayer that will help you. It is your action. It is not motivation that will help you. It is your action. If you don't take action and you allow yourself to continue to be distracted and entertained, you will continue to be broke. I am very, very sure you can be rich within the next 30 days, earning dollars. Yes, but it's up to you. Take up the challenge if you can.